Hello viewers, this is RHCSA and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to get operating system information in Mac computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To get operating system information in Mac computer, you need to open terminal. To open terminal, click on Spotlight Search. In Spotlight Search, type terminal. Then click on terminal. In terminal, type system_profiler SP software data type. Now hit enter. System_profiler SP software data type. Now hit enter and you will find system software overview, operating system version Mac 12.7.1, then kernel version Darwin 21.6.8, then boot volume Mac HD, boot mode normal, then computer name IT system admin, username IT system admin. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.